Artificial intelligence, or AI, is now a key player in modern warfare. It helps military forces make quick decisions. This speeds up operations from days or weeks to just milliseconds. This change can be seen clearly in the upcoming conflict between the US and Iran in 2026. In traditional warfare, the kill chain took time. Soldiers had to gather information, plan, and act. With AI, this process is nearly instant. Drones and automated systems can analyze data and strike targets in seconds. The 2026 conflict with Iran will showcase this technology. AI will help the US military gather intelligence quickly. It will identify threats and determine the best responses almost immediately. However, this speed comes with risks. AI can make mistakes. A quick decision might lead to unintended consequences. These risks make the use of AI in warfare a serious concern for many. As AI continues to develop, militaries around the world are adopting it. Countries like China and Russia are also investing in AI technologies for their military. This could change the balance of power globally.